Level measurement engineering. We will see details today in this video. Level measurement meaning measured variable representing the height of a material or a presence within a vessel used to ensure critical portion of the process operation safety as a over or under feed. The pressure exerted by a liquid in a pressurized tank is dependent on the height of the liquid, its density and the pressure in the vapor. One can refer to the pictures where you can see the various kinds of level measuring instruments are installed in the tank, where various instruments are connected so as to get the reading or the height of the level of the measurement. In similar that we will see the tank level measurement engineering concept. Firstly, we'll see the open tank level measurement. One can refer to the open tank where the liquid is filled with a fluid, and there the isolating valves is connected to the level transmitter, and HP side is connected to the tank and LP side is vented to the atmosphere. Then the equation becomes P high is equals to P atmospheric plus S into H, where P is the pressure, H is the height and S is the density. Then P low is equals to P atmospheric. Then the differential pressure, that is delta P, is equals to P high minus P low. After solving the equation, it will be S into H. This is what the open tank level measurement is done. Now moving on to the closed tank level measurement, one can refer to the closed tank where the vessel is filled and some portion is empty where gas is present. Then the isolation valves are shown and LT is connected, where HP and LP sides are connected, where low side is the low pressure impulse line is there. Now the equation P high is equals to P gas plus S into H, where P low is equals to P gas as the open portion is filled with the gas. Differential pressure, that is delta P is equals to P high minus P low. After solving the equation, it becomes S into H, where H is the height and S is the density of the liquid. Now for level measurement engineering, continuation for level measurement application, when the tank is empty, open inlet valve, that is LV1, to start flow. Low level sensed by the transmitter, that is a TX1, which is a guided wave radar. These you can correlate with the below figure. Based on the tank level, outlet valve, that is LV2, to open, and high level sensed by the transmitter TX2 guided wave radar. And now we will see how the level measurement application in terms of the animation, where we will see the inlet valve opening and the filling of the tank of the fluid, then how the tank level is reached to high level, and upon reaching to high level the discharge valve is open. This is how the actually the level measurement is done. Tank level measurement automation. As the fluid is passing and the tank started filling, upon reaching to the high level, then signal goes to the discharge valve get open and the liquid is starting to discharge. This animation help you how the level measurement automation is used with the help of various field instrument, and accurately it can maintain and avoid underfeed or overfeed of the fluid.